In today's video, I'm excited to share Hidden Falls Nature Park near Portland, Oregon. It features a beautiful waterfall, hidden unexpectedly in a suburban neighborhood. I'll share the trail highlights, including how to find this bonus double waterfall on a side trail. We're joined by our little explorer, who found the umbrella to be the most interesting aspect of the hike. This was lucky because we did this hike during the latest atmospheric river. If you enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of the best of the Pacific Northwest. Hidden Falls Nature Park is in Happy Valley, Oregon. It's about 25 minutes drive southeast of the Portland city center. Hidden Falls is a very small park hidden in a suburban neighborhood. There's no parking lot, but you can street park at a few entry points. We parked at the entrance circled here, where Pioneer Drive and Nightingale Avenue meet. The trail surface is paved, so the footing is very even. The trail travels downhill into a forested ravine. You'll soon see a cool wooden bridge through the trees. It crosses Rock Creek and provides a great viewpoint for the falls. Before heading to the bridge, though, I'd recommend pausing at the bottom of the hill where the trail looks out over the creek. A dirt footpath here leads a short way along the creek to a view of another waterfall. This trail does have a muddy, eroded section that's a little dicey, so take care with your footing. You'll soon come across this nice double waterfall. Here's a look back at the paved trail from this side trail to give you a better idea for scale. Back on the main trail, you'll soon reach the wooden bridge over the creek. The bridge offers a view over the creek on one side and a view of Hidden Falls on the other. On the other side of the bridge, the trail leads to a fenced-in overlook where you can see a top-down view of Hidden Falls. This is where our little explorer decided the umbrella was much more interesting. But the view of the falls here is definitely nice. After the waterfall viewpoint, you can head back the way you came, or you can continue up the hill to the other trailhead. The walk is about a mile altogether. It becomes residential very quickly, but we did happen to find a scattering of roses on the trail, which looked kind of poetic in the rain. Here's a look at the other trailhead. Thanks for joining us at Hidden Falls Nature Park. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.